Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make an egg salad sandwich. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If this is your first time watching this show, please do me a favor, head down to the corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make an egg salad sandwich. This is a quick, simple, easy recipe. Let's head in and see what our ingredients are. We've got 2 boiled eggs that I've already have boiled and peeled, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. That's all it is. No fancy ingredients, just basic, simple egg salad. Let's head in here and start doing it. Alright, first thing you want to do is get a big enough bowl for all your ingredients. Like I said, I've got our boiled eggs already peeled and already cooked and peeled, as I should say. Here's some stock footage of the boiling eggs that I have, and then a card for how to make soft-boiled eggs. So basically, with the soft-boiled eggs, you want to cook them a little bit longer than what I show you in that video. But we're just going to put our eggs right into the bowl here. You want to get a fork that's got a very strong stem and tines, so you're not going to bend it. Just put your eggs right in the bowl, and you want to just mash up all the ingredients. And you can do this as long as you want, but basically you just want to mess up all this egg so it's made into a nice salad. It doesn't have to be perfectly cut with a knife or use an egg slicer. But there it is. It's just crumbled up. You're going to mix all this up. Now we're going to put pepper, as much or as little as you like. Season it to your taste. The salt is going to really bring out a lot of flavor though. And then add your mayonnaise. Got about a tablespoon per egg. You just want to bring these ingredients together. You don't want to make it soupy or anything like that. And then you just mix this all up really well with the same fork. Simple, easy, delicious. I'm going to throw this on some toast. We're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media. And then we're going to throw those pictures onto the timeline with some groovy music. So stay put. Here we go. I've got the egg salad sandwich. I put it on some toast. There is no need to add any mayonnaise or butter or anything to the bread. You can put it right onto the slice of toast that you want to make your sandwich. Again, very simple recipe. Just egg, mayonnaise, a little salt and pepper. No crazy mustards, no relish, no fancy spices like tarragon or anything like that. Plain and simple. Not that there's anything wrong with any of that. But this is just a plain, simple, easy recipe. If you're a college kid living out of your dorm and you got a little budget for money for food, buy a dozen eggs, boil them. You can make these every day along with your top ramen. Check out the link I've got actually right here above this for cooking in the dorm. It's very helpful to college students. So I'm going to give this a taste now. Here we go. Rich and creamy. You can taste the egg. The mayonnaise, salt and pepper in there. That's all you taste, what you're supposed to taste, the egg. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.